Hey everyone, this is Alicia and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing swatches of the Huda Beauty Chameleon Wild Obsessions eyeshadow palette. The palette retails for $29 and is available on the Sephora and Huda Beauty websites. The palette features 9 shades that are a mix of 5 mattes and 4 metallics. The palette also features a decent sized mirror and is extremely travel friendly because it fits into the palm of your hand. So if you would like to see swatches of this palette, just keep on watching. Just so that this video isn't really long, I'll be giving you my thoughts on the palette as I do the swatches. I used my Morphe R32 contour brush to do the swatches and I did not apply a base or a primer beforehand. I'm starting with the first row going left to right. All the shades had decent pigmentation and slight fallout. The mattes feel buttery and the metallics feel creamy. The mattes aren't as pigmented as I expected, and that deep wine colored matte isn't as deep as I thought it would be. The metallics didn't apply too well with my brush, so I'd use a glitter glue or primer to really get it to pop, or just use my finger, which I really don't like. I hate the material of the packaging, although I think the packaging itself is gorgeous. Personally, I feel like majority of the shades in this palette are just repeat shades from past Obsessions palette, and it's really not worth the money going out of your way to get it. So, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notifications, and I hope to see you all soon. Bye.